Okay, so to remove the motor, first thing you have to do is remove the wheel and the belt. After, you don't need actually to remove the top part of the motor mount. You could leave it like this. We will be able to remove the motors, leaving the motor mount there. So I actually recommend to use these tool, which is our C-clip remover, to remove the C-clip. If you don't have, you can always use like some thin pliers like this, but it's gonna be a bit more of trouble because if we use the right tool, it's just a matter of seconds. So we need to remove the first C-clip, remove the pulley. Make sure that you don't lose the key weight for the pulley. And then we have to remove the other C-clip here. And now the shaft is basically free. So the only thing we have to do after is remove the 4 screws around, and the motor should come out easily. And then after, we'll have just to put the new motor in and screw the 4 screws in place. I do suggest to put some Loctite over these screws. Once you're gonna go and remove them, if it's a bit hard, you could always eat a little bit because we are using Loctite for it. Thank you.